Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I'm here to talk about kind of like a story time, but just something that I had a realization about. I was doing my makeup one day and I was thinking about my childhood, and you know, when you're younger, you're very vulnerable, and those are like the crucial times in your life where you learn things, you learn habits, and you learn to see yourself a certain way when you grow up and mature into your adult years. Back in the day, back in the day in the 90s, okay, maybe it was 4th grade, maybe it was 3rd grade, I remember being in the classroom and I had a really hard time in school when it came down to my education when I was really young, because I did move around a lot and stuff. So I was switching between schools, didn't really have the same friend group growing up. I just always kept moving. But I remember not being able to see the chalkboard, not being able to even fully understand what the teacher was teaching me because I couldn't see anything. I remember thinking this was a normal thing, seeing everything being blurry and not being able to comprehend things that were going on around me. So I remember just always asking the person sitting next to me in school, like, what does that say on the board? I couldn't take notes. Like, it was really bad thinking about it now. One of the things I remember most is my teacher, Mrs. Green, pulling me aside and saying, you probably need to get glasses because you can't see. So I told my dad that I probably can't see, I don't know what's going on, but this is what Mrs. Green said. So I remember going in, getting my eyes checked, and sure enough, I was legally blind with glasses. I don't know, like, it was just one of those things that I just was embarrassed about. My eyesight was so bad, you guys, my entire life. I grew up wearing glasses, that's all I ever knew, and it was just something that I had to live with. But I remember after getting my first pair of glasses, I was so excited about it, okay? I was so excited. Go back to school for my first time with my glasses, and everyone makes fun of me. That was my biggest insecurity. I didn't even want to wear my glasses. Everyone was calling me 4 eyes. My lenses were so thick. Like, it was a mess. It was something that really affected me, and it carried throughout my adult years. And it's so funny because I had this realization and I was like, why did other people's opinions affect me so much? Why did I really care what those people thought of me, even though I knew that those glasses were helping me out, not only with my education but with the way that I saw life? But I really did let those people's opinions affect me and what I thought was beautiful, so much so that I didn't even want to wear my glasses to school. And now, fast forward into my adult years, my biggest insecurity now becomes something that I love so much. Like, I go out and I buy glasses, not only sunglasses because I love just the edgy look of it, but eyeglasses. I love to accessorize my style with eyeglasses, whether it's a rainy day, I'm feeling really quirky, or I just want to feel really cute and smart is what I call it. I feel like there's a look for every mood and a different day. So I'm so excited, you guys. I ordered some new glasses from GlassesUSA.com. Shout out to them because they have sponsored today's video. I just want to share a little bit of a personal story with you guys because I think it is so crucial. You know, even now that I'm in my 20s, we're still learning. We can still have insecurities affect us 10 years from now, 1 year from now. And it's important not to let other people's opinions affect how you view yourself. Those people's opinions are not your business. And that is one of the biggest life lessons that I've learned, maybe a little bit too late in life. It is something that I've learned and I've applied it to my life, and I'm so much more of a happier person because of that. This is so special to me. When I had this realization, it kind of changed everything for me. Not just that point in my life, but the future, like how I continue to live my life. So GlassesUSA.com has over 4,000 pairs of sunglasses and eyeglasses from brands like Ray-Ban, Gucci, Armani. They also have in-house lines like Muse, which is a collab with Hilary Duff, which is amazing. And you can get their glasses up to 70% off of a traditional retail value because they do cut out the middleman, so it makes it so much more affordable to shop online, and everything gets shipped to your house. Not to mention they do have free shipping and free returns, which is even better. You can try them out, send them back, 100% money back guarantee. So the first pair of glasses I got, I had so much fun browsing and picking out because I love all of the styles. I also really liked online, they showed like the size of the frame, and I tend to go for like oversized frames. So this was one of the larger sizes, and these are so cute, you guys. When I think of my quirky style, this is the pair that I think of the most. I love these. I feel so quirky in these, and I feel so smart. They have a nice little ombre effect going on, and that for me is one of the biggest things that I love. I love to play up my style with fun accessories like these. Now, I did get my glasses non-prescription, but of course you can get prescription glasses and sunglasses with your prescription that you need them to be. But I just love this style so much. I'm definitely going to link them down below because there's a ton of glasses on the website that you can browse from. So I don't want you guys to be scrolling for hours on end. Listen, I love these so much. This is like my grandpa mood, you know what I'm saying? Like when I don't want to be bothered, this is the look I go for. I chose to get the gold frame because I love gold hardware, and I got these in like an extra large frame size. That's what they were described as being online, and they're just a really fun pair. Whenever you don't want to be bothered, you just want to live your life, no makeup day, this is a mood that I go for. So I definitely recommend snatching these. I love the band that goes around the top of the frame. So cute. These are my everyday like travel wear glasses, or if I'm waking up super early in the morning, haven't had my coffee, don't talk to me yet glasses. These are them. These are the edginess that I need in my life. These are just a really good everyday essential because they are all black, but they're oversized. They fit so nice. These might just be my new favorite sunglasses that I own.
One feature I really love is the fact that I can try on any pair of glasses that I want directly from the website. This way I'll know what pair looks best on my face shape. So all you have to do is take a selfie or upload a photo from your library and then adjust your eyes and try on your glasses.
Let me know in the comments down below which pair of glasses were your favorite from today's video. Now also too, I wanted to mention that you can get a really awesome deal on your first pair of eyeglasses. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below so you dolls can start shopping on glassesusa.com. I'm just so obsessed. I definitely want to wear these today because it's just, I don't know, like I'm just feeling the mood right now. Bye!
Oh